Hey guys, today I've got a Whirlpool stand-up freezer, heavy duty, commercial quality. It's in like new condition. Show it off to you real quick. Before I open that door, I've got it running. I'm going to show you that it is in fact running and cooling like it's supposed to. So I've got my service temperature gun. It's going to show you the temperature service, whatever shine in between those two little red dots there. Let's see if I can get this to light up here. Nope. Okay. Well, that's what it is. So we'll shine this in there and show you that it is getting nice and cold. It's like it's supposed to. Then I'll show it off a little bit. So minus 15 is what it's pulling in there. It's going to be a little bit wherever you go. And of course, the longer we have these doors open to, yeah, almost negative 20. And it's on full blast right now. It's just as cold as it can go. I'll show you real quick. Nice clean. Got a couple shelves that I'm still cleaning that I've pulled out, but otherwise just want to show you nice and clean. Like I said, it's in like new condition, and there's all the information which I'll put in the post for you. But kind of the purpose of this video is just so that you know it works. Once you get it home, plug it in, there's no question that you spent your money on something that's going to work for you. That's how I like to shop, so that's how I like to sell my items. So there you have it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I do appreciate you taking time to watch this video. Thanks.